Your lungs are sensitive, stretchy bags of tissue sat inside a chest made of bone and muscle that is always moving. And these things have to keep the rest of your body alive by making sure they're transferring oxygen efficiently from the lungs into the blood. So it makes sense that these have some receptors and some reflexes to keep them from damaging themselves. As you take a deep breath in, your lungs are going to expand, and the little muscles inside the trachea and the bronchi, around the wall of the bronchi, they are going to be stretched outwards, and they've got little stretch receptors, and these stretch receptors send a signal via the vagus nerve to the medulla and the pons in the brainstem, and they basically switch off inspiratory effort, stop you from taking any further deep breaths, and it allows you to then start breathing out. It's a simple negative feedback reflex that prevents the lungs getting overstretched, and it's called the Hering-Breuer reflex. Hering was a German physiologist, Breuer was an Austrian physiologist, and they figured out that if you take an anaesthetized animal and inflate its lungs, it will then stop breathing for a short period of time. And they worked out that it's the stretch receptors that are causing a negative feedback loop that then briefly reduce the inspiratory drive and prevent you from over-breathing and from damaging your lungs.